Hello, today we will guide you through how to locate employer ID number in H&R Block. In this walkthrough, we'll use H&R Block's website to get help locating an employer identification number, often called an EIN, that you may need for your tax return. The goal is to reach the right support team and contact method so you can request guidance securely and efficiently. Start by opening your web browser and going to the H&R Block homepage. Once you're there, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. The footer is where H&R Block places many helpful links, including access to their help center. In the footer, select Customer Help and Support. This takes you to the main support hub, where you can find contact options, articles, and service categories. On this page, scroll to locate the posted hours of operation. It's a small step, but it matters. Reaching out during active hours ensures your chat, call, or message is handled without delay. When you're ready, use the customer support contact options shown, such as chat or phone, to request assistance with the employer identification number connected to your W-2 or employer information in your tax file. Be prepared to verify your identity and provide basic details, like your employer's name and the tax year you're working on. Having your documents nearby speeds things up. For context, the EIN is typically printed on your Form W-2, so if you have that available, reference it while you speak with support. If you need to choose a support path, match it to how you worked with H&R Block. Office support is best if you filed in person at a local H&R Block office and want that team to assist or look up information related to your appointment. If your question touches any prepaid or disbursement products, Emerald Card support can guide you and route you correctly if the conversation shifts back to your tax return details. For users who manage finances through H&R Block's mobile banking, Spruce support is available. They can confirm whether your question is banking related or should be transferred to a tax specialist. If you prepared your return using H&R Block's desktop software, choose H&R Block software support so the team can look up your account context and provide targeted help. And if you filed through the web-based experience, select H&R Block online support for direct assistance tied to your online account. Throughout the process, share only what support requests for verification and avoid posting personal data in public forums. With the right support channel and your documents on hand, you'll be set to get the EIN details you need.